told everyone. I genuinely thought it was him. I was about to save him. But then I realized it was 1:30 in the afternoon. And it's night in America. And to the So today I'm gonna tell you what happened to my friend the address. It's not negative, it's positive. A positive thing. As you can see my mag right there. But it got no mutation. And I'm gonna tell you why. It's a good thing that happened. So I was playing on Saturday, but I didn't realize there was 3 minutes till admin. So I decided I should play this activity. But there were no private servers to play. And then I went into a public server because I was like, I don't care about the brain rot. I just wanna change the application of my magmew or the dragon meowl. And trust me, both of their mutations got changed into something better, something a lot better. Let me tell you how. So I was rooting for the red text guy because last time we had the view. He was the one that told 40 seconds of the view. Without him, I wouldn't have Then this time, when fire and ice effect happened, I was on team fire, like the team red text, because obviously the red text guy is better. Then he did a distraction for team atomic tornado and he asked me. But it turned blood, back to emerald, then it turned radioactive. Yes, radioactive. Imagine how much it makes. Tell me your guesses in the comments. No cheating though. Tell me how much it makes without my hands. Let me give you a hint. That's around 45. Maybe 25%. If it's more than that much, it's actually more. Wait, Cosmic Core? Yeah, that might be useful. I guess right now. Okay. And then in the next acid rain. No, before that I was gonna tell you what my mind was like. So my mind was like, I gotta get this back to my base fast before it changes back into emerald. And I was able to get it. So now my magnet are radioactive. It gets a lot. But let me give you another how much it makes. It makes 100.3 million money bags per second in my base. And there's my magnet over there. So I did take my Draculini, but now I'm gonna tell you how it got killed. Okay. So then the next acid, atomic tornado, uh, I pulled it out and the multiplier was getting better. And then when I pulled it out of the acid rain, it went from blood to diamond. Well, I got a let me show you. I actually got a good yes. My diamond Draculini and my radioactive metal. Did you guess correct? Tell me in the comments. Bye.